What is up, you guys? So I'm back with another update. So if you want to see how to go from this plain Jane white fireplace to this, you want to make sure that you stay tuned and follow. Make sure you like, comment. Let's get started. What is it, YouTube fancy girls? Back, you guys, with yet another vlog, y'all. So today is a wonderful day, y'all. I actually have a really late start, and I know that you guys are probably wondering, girl, what you got going on at this time, y'all. I'm gonna let you know right now, but before we get started to the video, if you can make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up for your girl, I would greatly appreciate it, you guys. So what I got going on right now, y'all, is I wanted to update my fireplace. I just wanted to zhuzh her up a bit. I wanted to bring a little bit more character to my fireplace. It's white. It was like that when we bought the house. When we bought the house, the fireplace was white. But I just wanted something that's just more like bam, you know what I'm saying? Like in your face. And lately, y'all, I have been super obsessed with the color black. I don't know if y'all have noticed, like with some of the stuff that I've done in the house when it comes to the floors, black. When it comes to my accent wall, I don't even think I showed y'all that. Did I show y'all that? Yeah, I think I showed y'all that. My accent wall in the dining room, black. And now, when it comes to this fireplace, I'm blacking her out. I don't care. No, just kidding, yeah. But yeah, she's definitely getting blacked out today. I'm really excited, y'all, and I'm hoping that it just turns out the way that I really want it to, because there ain't no turning back, baby. Once I paint her black, she just gonna have to be black. She's gonna have to do, because I ain't gonna turn around and try to paint. Have you ever tried to paint white over black? That's a ton of coats, you guys. So yeah, she just gonna have to work. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm all types of things, you guys. But let's go ahead and get started to this video. This is gonna be a short one. Nothing really, you know, all of this is a painting video. But yeah, if y'all wanna see, you know, my thing go from this to like what it's gonna be, make sure that you know, stay tuned, because you wanna see it. I know you wanna see it. So yeah, let me show you guys the pan over to the fireplace. All right, you guys, so this is the fireplace currently, you guys. I went ahead and I taped off what I could. Whenever I tell y'all I could not tape right here, because y'all know you can't bend tape, right? So when it comes to things like boop, like, and it has to, you know, you get what I mean, the swoop diddy whoop, there's no way that I could get the tape to bend around those specific areas on the fireplace. So I'm just gonna have to take my time and literally have a steady hand, because I don't want the black to get on my accent wall, y'all. So pray for me. I'm gonna need all the prayer. And then up there, y'all, I have popcorn ceiling, so as y'all know, whenever it comes time to like putting tape up there, it doesn't stick. That one right there is holding on for dear life. So I'm just gonna have to definitely be steady when I get up on that part. But yeah, this is what the fireplace is currently looking like, you guys. I had to remove the TV and stuff like that, but y'all will see that part whenever I paint. But this is the before, and let's get started so that y'all can see the after. All right, you guys, so this is where the lighting is gonna get a little bit funky, because I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out the way. A lot of y'all that know me is like, once I have my mind to it, it's a go. So that's what I wanna do. It is, what time is it, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5? I believe it's like 5 or 6 o'clock, y'all. So as y'all know, 6? 45. 6:45, so it's almost 7 o'clock, you guys. So it's 6:45, so yeah. But like y'all know, and also with winter coming, the time is gonna change. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. What I'm gonna do, this is my Old Faithful paintbrush, but look at that. Can y'all see it? Right there, this is the piece that you're gonna wanna cut. And this battery's going dead, so hopefully I have a backup battery. But let's get started on painting, and then we good. All right, y'all, it's no turning back. Here we go. You ready to go? Here we go, guys, no turning back. Ready? Ah, it's not my turn. I'm about to do it. But you know what else is good? Look, I didn't do the bottom right there, because I'm gonna have to just go easy. Hear me? Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Yeah, this is definitely it. You know, I can tell because it's smooth. No turning back. Alright you guys, so I'm starting on the paint right now. My camera battery is about to go. I'm gonna pull you guys back up whenever I'm halfway through. Oh my god, halfway through with this project. Because you know, y'all already know how to paint. So I mean, if you want to see a video with how to paint a fireplace, just let me know. I mean, I could probably give you some tips and trips and stuff like that. I said tips and trips. But yeah, I need to concentrate. I'll pull y'all back up whenever I'm done with this portion. And yeah. Alright you guys, so this is the first coat. The first coat, like I tell people, is always the scariest, you guys. So yeah, looking good so far. It won't give me the full thing until it's done, but right now the kids love it. So I don't know, with me, I'm a little bit still nervous. I like to see it all come together, then I can decide from there. But this was looking like, you guys, it's coming together. Woo! I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. It's coming together. I still have to do the top. I'm gonna go around the TV, you guys, because as y'all know, when y'all mounting TV, it's too much trouble to try to get it down. So I went ahead and I trimmed around it. But yeah, I just had to do the top portion. But right here, it looks good so far. I'm excited. I hope when I take the tape off that everything's just crisp the way that I like it. But this is what's looking like so far, y'all. Alright you guys, so this is the after. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit hesitant at first, but I am super, super pleased with how this came out. Let me go ahead and give you guys some zoom in action. Look at this, you guys. Oh my god, this is totally a statement piece. I'm super excited. Look at that. Ah! It looks so good. I don't know why I procrastinated on, you know, updating my fireplace. It just makes it seem, it makes the living room space seem more regal, more comforting. It's just a vibe and I'm here for it, you guys. I am in love with my new fireplace, you guys. It's just, woo, baby. Your girl's excited. Let me get out the frame. I don't want y'all to see me on the monitor. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but look at that. Smooth finish, baby, smooth finish. Oh my goodness. And it makes my flowers pop against that background, you guys. This is my new favorite thing in the house that I'm loving right now. Alright you guys, so I know this video is a bit short, but I hope that you guys honestly truly enjoy the content, the video, and are excited as I am with this particular update, you guys. That is going to be it. Make sure you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and stay tuned for more, y'all. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Go ahead and join the family. Let's do this.